Wood science technology covers all aspects of the wood products industry, starting from ways that trees are harvested in our area to lumber processing techniques, lumber grading, how to do CAD and blueprint reading and drawings.
I have been to a lot of manufacturing labs. I have used a lot of machining equipment. I have never used this new of equipment, ever.
We're getting them into the simple stuff, laying out marks, cutting on the line in the proper way, make sure your wood's the right size before you step into making a CAD drawing and plotting it into a CNC machine and having the machine cut everything for you. You kind of have to walk before you can run.
We focus a lot on machine theory, machine maintenance, how to troubleshoot on the job.
When you get into a program like this that challenges students to use their minds to create things, it opens up a whole new realm of problem-solving skills.
Going through this program will give you the knowledge, skills, and the background to have a solid foundation in any manufacturing or trade industry that you would go into. All of these skills will directly build on to whatever your next step would be.
I would recommend Kirtland Wood Science program to anybody who's interested in the wood degree.
When I graduate from Kirtland, I know I will be ready to enter the workforce.
I do believe I'm going to be ready for the wood industry.